minute, hundreds of hours of video are uploaded to YouTube. Millions of creators are constantly vying for a fraction of the audience's attention. Survival in this ecosystem requires a relentless speed of production, where creators are forced to churn out material consistently to remain visible in the algorithm. Creative burnout remains the primary obstacle to long-term growth, as the constant demand for fresh uploads eventually drains the initial inspiration that started the channel. To manage this workload, successful channels are integrating ChatGPT into their daily production workflows. Professionals treat this technology as a high-speed assistant for the mechanical parts of the process, specifically using it to amplify their own creative decisions rather than replace them. Integrating these tools allows a single creator to manage the logistics of a multi-stage production pipeline that previously required significantly more time and manual labor. The blank page phase is frequently the most time-consuming part of the creation lifecycle, often stalling projects before they begin. AI can instantly output dozens of niche-specific video concepts, providing a starting point that effectively eliminates initial idea droughts. The system can then categorize these raw concepts into distinct tiers, separating them by beginner, intermediate, and advanced skill levels. This structured breakdown lets creators identify specific pain points for each demographic and design clear, step-by-step learning paths for their viewers. During the research phase, the tool can summarize dense technical topics into digestible frameworks, giving the creator a structured outline of the facts before they begin the script. This process takes the unpredictable nature of brainstorming and forces it into a reliable, repeatable roadmap. Even the most thoroughly researched video will fail to reach an audience if the title and the opening seconds cannot capture immediate attention. By generating dozens of distinct angles, ranging from search-optimized phrasing to curiosity-driven statements, creators can select the strongest psychological trigger for their specific audience. The system also drafts multiple 30-second introductions, allowing the creator to test different hook formats, such as surprising facts or direct problem-solution setups. To manage the video's pacing, the AI can block out comprehensive chapter structures and provide initial script outlines for each segment. These drafts must be personalized, as the human creator needs to strip away generic phrasing and inject their own authentic voice and unique experiences into the final script. Offloading the structural drafting to an AI assistant preserves the creator's mental energy for storytelling and on-camera performance. The workload continues after the camera is turned off, with several tedious metadata and distribution tasks still remaining. ChatGPT can rapidly process a transcript to generate keyword-rich descriptions and accurate timestamps for the final upload. It also functions as a design consultant, suggesting thumbnail layouts based on visual hierarchy and object placement to ensure the final image is clear and engaging. For broader distribution, the AI scans the completed script, extracting the most potent quotes and hooks to be repurposed as YouTube Shorts. To maintain channel momentum, the tool generates cohesive upload calendars and drafts interactive community engagement polls. Automating these logistical steps removes the friction between finishing a video and successfully launching it to the public. Utilizing this technology effectively requires an understanding of its immediate risks and ethical pitfalls. Publishing unedited, directly copied AI responses results in hollow content that lacks the human connection viewers expect from a creator. Furthermore, failing to manually fact-check AI-generated information can result in the spread of inaccuracies, which quickly destroys a channel's credibility. Abandoning human originality in favor of automated scripts results in generic content that fails to provide any unique value or personal insight to the viewer. ChatGPT functions effectively as an organizational assistant, though it cannot provide the core vision or critical thinking required for a successful channel. The modern digital artist must evolve into a hybrid creator. This approach involves utilizing AI for the heavy lifting of organization and research, while aggressively protecting human authenticity in the final product. The future of the platform belongs to creators who master this balance, leveraging artificial efficiency to scale their output while continuing to produce content that is authentic and valuable.